If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. A person who is excessively concerned about their health is called hypochondriac. A person who has an excessive interest in their own appearance is narcissist. A person who takes pleasure in inflicting pain on others is called sadist. The fear of spiders is known as arachnophobia. A person who is difficult to please is known as perfectionist. A person who believes that all events are predetermined and inevitable is a fatalist. The act of making something known or revealing something is called disclosure. A person who believes in the superiority of their own race is called a racist. A person who travels from place to place without a fixed home is nomad. The art of effective speaking or writing is called a rhetoric. A person who engages in frequent or unnecessary disputes is quarrelsome. A person who is indifferent to pleasure or pain is called a stoic. A person who believes in the existence of only material things is materialist. A person who has a tendency to avoid risks and take the safest path is a cautious. A person who is willing to spend money freely is known as spendthrift. The practice of lying or deception is known as falsehood. A person who engages in the study of the physical and social aspects of human development is sociologist. The act of abandoning a country or cause is called defection. A person who is skilled in the art of healing through physical methods is physiotherapist. A person who believes in a way that is in line with their religious beliefs is called devotee. The belief that only the self exists and that the external world is an illusion is called solipsism. A person who gives up their position or job in favor of someone else's. Resigner. The study of the nature and origin of universe is known as cosmology. A person who tends to believe the worst in others is called cynic. The practice of giving up certain pleasure for religious reasons is called abstinence. A person who writes and performs plays is known as playwright. The practice of maintaining strict self-discipline and control is known as asceticism. A person who behaves in an unreasonable or whimsical manner is capricious. The study of the nature and effects of governmental systems is called political science. The study of insects is known as entomology. A person who is excessively concerned with their own needs and desires is called egoist. The action of making something less severe or less intense is known as mitigation. A person who is highly skilled in the use of words and language is called rhetorician. Thank you for watching.